Swatan TV present the news with the help of Lot Binder, Harjeet Sandhu, Uday Nayak, Bernadette Young, Sunil Kalia.
We Together Strong community organized an event of tree plantation in Edmonton. Councillor Joanne also participated in the event with more than 100 people joined in spite of rains continued the whole day. Food was also distributed after the event. Wada TV brings a report.
Hi Joanne, this is Shekhar from Edmonton Press Council and I would like to know would you like to say for today event something?
I would love to say that I appreciate all that We Together Strong does and the organizations that have come together for Root for Trees to plant trees and shrubs in our community. And I think it's just a wonderful way to give back to the community. I appreciate all their volunteers and so glad that I can be here and that it's not a hot sunny day. Yeah, that would make it I think a little bit worse for planting. So it's very nice. The ground is really easy to work and easy to get those trees in. I feel so good about planting. It does so much for our environment, beautification of our communities, and I'm just glad that I have the opportunity to help out.
Nice to know that. Thank you for that.
Okay.
ये हमारा लगभग चौथा टी प्लांटेशन है गायत्री परिवार के साथ मिलके और इस साल हमें खुशी है। थैंक यू अशोक जी गंगवानी जो यहाँ आए हैं और उन्होंने कवरिंग के लिए, और थैंक यू उनका इस साल वो भी प्रेस काउंसिल ऑफ एडमिंटन भी हमारे साथ ज्वाइन हुआ है। तो इस साल ये इवेंट हमारे 3 ऑर्गेनाइजेशनों का है, वी टुगेदर स्ट्रॉन्ग कम्युनिटी, गायत्री परिवार एंड प्रेस काउंसिल ऑफ एडमिंटन। थैंक यू एवरीवन, ऑल वॉलंटियर्स। ये एक हमारा पर्यावरण की चेतना लिए छोटा सा प्रयास है। हम लोग बातें न करके छोटा सा प्रयास शुरुआत करें जिससे वास्तव में पर्यावरण के लिए हम कुछ चेंजिंग हो सके। हम जानते हैं ये कोई बड़ा नहीं है, लेकिन छोटे बूंद बूंद से जैसे सागर भरता है, ऐसे ये छोटा छोटा प्रयास यदि सभी ग्रुप करें तो हम पर्यावरण चेतना लिए काफ़ी बड़ा प्रयास कर सकते हैं।
हाय जी मनीषा जी, आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
गायत्री परिवार की तरफ से हमारे साथ में आज प्रशांत जी श्रीवास्तव हैं और मुस्कान तिवारी है जो हमारी यूथ वॉलंटियर है। सो दे विल टेल, बोथ ऑफ देम विल टेल अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट द इवेंट टुडे।
हाय मुस्कान जी, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से अबाउट द इवेंट?
I'm really grateful for everyone who's come out. I see some new faces, some old faces. Every summer we look forward to tree planting, and I think it's added up to like a couple thousand so far, and I really hope we can keep this tradition going. I'm really grateful for the whole community for coming together to help us with this event.
This is always a great effort, and this is a small drop of an ocean, and we have been doing this since last 8 years. So this is the 8th year, and Manisha ji and Muskan, and coincidentally, around her birthday, this event always takes place. So this is such a nice thing, and especially if you see the youth and the young kids, and so that's what we want, that this Gayatri Parivar and other institutions also, they promote youth involvement, kids involvement, and some of the seniors are also here. So it's a whole community effort, and we are always grateful for all the volunteers, those who come here and then they contribute, and you feel so good that you are doing something for environment. There's a lot of talks.
Is something good.
Yeah, absolutely. So we are very happy, and thanks for all the volunteers, thanks for all the youth and senior, and thanks for Councillor Joanne. So we really appreciate it. Thank you.
Sir ji.
मैं सबसे पहले सब लोगों का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जो लोग यहाँ पे आए, अपना कीमती समय दे के ट्री प्लांटेशन करने के लिए आए। ये एक छोटा सा एफर्ट है हम लोगों की तरफ से अपनी सिटी को, अपने एनवायरनमेंट को बचाने के लिए, और ये एक लेसन है दूसरे लोगों के लिए भी कि वो भी कुछ ना कुछ अपना योगदान सिटी और एनवायरनमेंट के प्रति वो करें। जैसे आज बारिश, हल्की हल्की बारिश भी हो रही है, बट उसके बावजूद भी लोग आ रहे हैं, तो इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड एफर्ट बाय ऑल द वॉलंटियर्स। थैंक यू।
Hi Vimal ji, good morning. What would you like to say for today's event?
Good morning. First of all, I'd like to say extend my thank you for all the volunteers and Councillor Joanne from Gayatri Parivar and Press Edmonton to joining us for this event. And we are doing this event from last 4 years. And behind this event, our purpose is make the kids and our community to aware about the plantation, and because if there's no tree, there's no life. So we got, and people they now in these days people they're not connected with the nature, and our purpose is that behind this tree plantation bring people outside from their screen time and connected with the nature. And we are doing this even from last 4 years, and I'm thank you for everybody to joining with us and doing this wonderful cause for city and environment. Thank you.
We are at the plantation. This is a plantation event run by the Press Council. We together and
Gayatri Parwar.
Gayatri Pawar. And yeah, we're just out here planting some
How
trees.
do you feel like being in the part of the event?
It's nice. It's nice to connect with nature. Yeah, it's nice to connect with nature.
Thank you so much for.
Let's try at least 15 or 20.
That's good to know.
Yeah.